I'm Alicia Ruckett from Roberts Shearwater.
And I'm Kat Spalding from Roberts Devonport.
And together we are so excited to bring this contemporary townhouse to market.
Welcome to 113 Breteeca Close in Port Sorell. Come with us, let's take a look.
So have you been searching for that low maintenance lock up and leave property? This is the one. My name's Alicia and I'm from Roberts Shearwater.
And I'm Kat from Roberts Devonport. We look forward to welcoming you to Breteeca Close.